Hello everyone. Next we are going to use this curl tool, and then with that we are going to make a braid by taking hair from both the sides and then passing it to the opposite side, as you can see. Then you can see we are going to keep moving till this braid is formed. After that we are going to secure it with the help of this rubber band. Next we are going to take hair from both the sides, joining them with a hair clip, and then we are going to fold them out and applying a rubber band on them. Then at some space we are going to fold them together into a bun, then joining it with the help of this bobby pin, and now you can decorate it as you want and you're good to go. Next we are going to take the pin and applying to our hair. After that, taking hair from one side, twisting them around and joining them to the pin. Next we are going to take hair from the other side and again repeating the same step. Then we are going to take hair from both the sides and twisting them together and joining it with the pin. Next we are going to take hair and then we are going to divide it into 3 sections and making a braid. Then we are going to loosen the braid and fold it out into a simple bun, then applying this clip for securing them. Next we are going to take a low ponytail and then we are going to fold it inwards once, as you can see in the video. Then we are going to take out the hair and securing it with the help of this pin. You can use any clutchers or pin of your choice. Next we are going to take this high ponytail and then applying a rubber band on them. After that we are going to fold the hair together and then we are going to take the hair clip and securing the bun with it. Next we are going to take a ponytail and then passing the rubber band through it. After that we are going to put our fingers in the rubber band and then taking out the hair, as you can clearly see in the video, and your hairstyle is ready. Next to our ponytail we are going to loosen it up a little bit, then applying this clip for securing them. After that we are going to take the excess hair and folding it out into a voluminous bun and joining it with a pin.